Bye, Kara.
Guys, look at me here. I'm going to work.
Hello.
Hey guys,
Banana.
going to work right now.
Look, we were watching.
Yeah?
Yeah. We were watching scary things.
Oh wow.
If you sleep your own,
Really?
something just
Babe,
can
you wanna
come.
say something? What?
If you watch something
Yeah.
scary at night and you sleep your own,
Aw.
something would come out and
Uh-uh.
kill you. I mean, no, not kill you.
Uh-huh.
Kill you and then eat you
Yeah.
because he's hungry.
Aw.
No,
Yeah, he is.
I mean it's hungry, but
Yeah.
it won't appear.
Yeah,
It's
but
so cute, right?
and then you have to call someone, and then he will take you to someone.
Really?
Yeah.
You guys take me to work?
No,
Uh-uh.
scared of scary things.
Okay, let's go, guys. I'm gonna go right now.
No, my aunt is going.
Yeah.
But
We're
I
going
know you-
together, okay?
no, no way,
No way.
no way you can do that.
Look at me here.
No way.
Look at me here. I go to work.
So,
Yeah.
you guys are coming.
All right. I'm
Ah.
standing up right now.
Ah,
Yeah.
he's tall.
Yeah, I'm tall. I'm a tall guy in my house, in my family, right? And the
Yeah.
next Jojo will be the tallest guy in the family, right? Jojo will be the tallest guy in the family, right?
I'm
Look at me. Yeah.
Look at me.
Yeah, look at you. Yeah.
Uncle, can I lift it up?
Yeah.
Uncle, you hug me and I lift it up.
Okay, okay. Yeah.
Get up.
Okay, okay.
Stand up.
Stand up.
I'm
Okay.
gonna hold you tight.
You hold me
Stand
tight.
up. Stand up.
Oh, wow.
I'm just waiting for you.
Up.
Up
I'm just waiting.
I'm big.
and big.
Yeah, I'm big.
Oh, yeah. You get it big.
I'm big.
Yeah. All right, let me go to work right now, okay? Woo. Yeah.
Bye, camera.
Yeah. Oh. Oh, okay, guys. Okay. See you guys later.
Look at our fruit.
Okay, I see you guys tonight, okay?
Camera.
Look at our fruit. Look at our fruit.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
Come and look.
Look at here, guys.
Look.
See my two babies.
You're not a baby.
They eat food. You're not a baby yet.
I'm a baby.
You're growing up, right?
Yeah.
I'm not baby. I'm 5 years old.
You're 5 years old right now.
I'm 10 years old.
What time is it? Almost
I'm 10
time.
years old. I'm 10 years
Well then go.
I'm
Go.
10 years old. I'm 10 years old.
All right, guys.
Okay, bye, camera.
Okay, bye.
I'm 10 years old, guys.
I see you guys later, okay?
Well, I'm 10 years old.
Okay, guys.
Samuel.
Bye.
Bye, Samuel.
You said bye, Samuel.
No, I did not say that.
Jobo is very handsome.
I'm not.
And the Demupo is very beautiful and cute, right?
No.
Oh, you
I'm
can
keeping the camera.
Okay,